Hi friends, it's Blanca from the Scott County Library. I'm so glad to be here today. I'm so glad you guys could join me today. We're going to be singing a song today and dancing, and the early literacy tip practice of the day is sing. You'll be looking later in the video that we'll be singing a song and doing a little bit of dancing, but before we do that we're going to read a book, and it's called Where Are You From? And it's written by Yamile Saied Méndez, illustrated by Jaime Kim. Sounds like an interesting book. And it's written with permission of HarperCollins publishers. Where are you from? Where are you from, they ask. Is your mom from here? Is your dad from there? They ask. I'm from here. From today? Same as everyone else, I say. No. Where are you really from? They insist. I ask Abuelo because he knows everything. And like me, he looks like he doesn't belong. Where am I from? Abuelo thinks. His eyes squint like he's looking inside his heart for an answer. You come from the Pampas, the open, free land, he says. You're from the Gaucho, brave and strong, from the brown river that cleanses and feeds the land, that gives us the grain from our bread, the milk from the cows. You're from mountains so high, they tickle Señor Cielo's belly, where the condor roosts his family and the jaguar prowls the night. But you're also from the warm blue oceans the copper warriors tried to tame, and the elegant palm trees stretch their fingers to caress. You're from hurricanes and dark storms, and a tiny singing frog that calls the island people home when the sun goes to sleep. From this island where our ancestors built a home for all, even when they were in chains because of the color of their skin. You're from the grandmothers who search for their grandchildren, waiting, always waiting in a plaza, their white handkerchiefs wrapping the sorrow of their thoughts. You come from the sunshine that lights our path in this world and the rain that washes away our mistakes. But Abuelo, I ask, where am I really from? Abuelo laughs. You want a place? He points to his heart. You're from here. From my love and the love of all those before us. From those who dreamed of you because of a song sung under the Southern Cross, or the words in a book written under the light of the North Star. You are from all of us. I am. The end. Thank you for reading this book with me. It was so fun. And it's really nice to ask, where are you from? But we are gonna be singing a song later on, so join me so we can sing a song together. All right, friends, we're gonna dance and sing a song right now. So if you're sitting down, stand up and join me to sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good job, girls. That was awesome. Should we go faster? I think we should go faster. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. That was good. Good job.